In this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate infinite listening practice or comprehensible input in Spanish using ChatGPT and a 1, 2, 3 chart. Now the 1, 2, 3 chart is what you're seeing here on the screen. This is a tool that I created or discovered during my time teaching foreign languages to the military. There is a column for statements, a column for yes/no questions, open-ended questions, and general useful expressions. So what I've done so far, and this is something you can replicate with ChatGPT, is ask for 10 statements about what I did over the weekend. And it's random. It's not what I really did, right? But it's just, so, vi una película, fui de compras, visité un museo, and everything like that, right? So I watched a movie, went shopping, did these 10 things. Now in column 2, we take that same statement and put it in the second person form of a yes/no question. So, did you see a movie? ¿Viste una película? And then I go back to here and either say sí, vi una película, or no vi una película. So normally I use the 1, 2, 3 chart to generate what I call comprehensible output, which is you being able to produce Spanish, practice conversing, because I think the best way to practice conversing is by conversing. However, if we flip the coin, because output and input are two sides of the same coin, if we flip the coin over to input or comprehensible input, the whole theory here is that the better your output is, the better your input is going to be, okay? So instead of just listening to a random paragraph about what someone did over the weekend, why not train on saying that yourself here, okay? So open-ended, what did you do? ¿Qué hiciste este fin de semana? Oh, I watched a movie. I went shopping. Okay, I went shopping. Fui de compras. Did you go shopping? Fuiste de compras. And then you either come back and say, sí, fui de compras, or no fui de compras. It's a yes or no. All right. What'd you do over the weekend? ¿Cómo pasaste tu fin de semana? I went to a museum. Visité un museo. Did you go to a museum? Visitaste un museo. Where did you go? ¿A dónde fuiste? Okay. So we've got 10 iterations of that to practice conversation. I call it instant conversation, okay? But here's the part. Here's how we turn it into input. I wrote, using the statements as main points, write a paragraph about what I did over the weekend as if it's a journal entry, okay? So now you have this script, and you could say, este fin de semana fue bastante divertido y relajante, el sábado por la tarde, and da-da-da. And if you have any questions, you can sit here, you can study that. Here's the sweet spot. You come down to that read out loud, and let's listen.
Este fin de semana fue bastante divertido y relajante. El sábado por la tarde vi una película que hacía tiempo quería ver, lo cual fue una excelente manera de empezar el fin de semana. Después fui de compras para conseguir algunas cosas que necesitaba.
All right, so you get the idea. Now, if I want to take that away so I'm not able to read it and push play again, fine, you can close your eyes and you can practice comprehensible input, all right? So if I came along and just said same thing, topic is plans for 2025. All right, so here's a 1, 2, 3 chart. Topic is plans for 2025. I want to travel to new places. Do you want to travel to new places? What are your plans? All right, I plan to. Okay, so it just keeps going. Okay, now write a paragraph using the statements. Okay, so you've already familiarized yourself with what it's going to say. You come down here, close your eyes.
En 2025 tengo varios planes emocionantes. Primero, quiero viajar a nuevos lugares para conocer diferentes culturas y disfrutar de nuevas experiencias. También planeo mejorar mis habilidades en idiomas, especialmente.
And you get the idea, okay? So again, it's a 1, 2, 3 chart beginning with comprehensible output, everyone. Believe it or not, beginning with output, right? Generating instant conversation, then turning it into a listening exercise, which is going to help the language get stuck in your head, because language gets stuck in your head like music. So that's my take on comprehensible input using ChatGPT in Spanish. I would love to hear how it goes for you, and so feel free to leave comments and let me know if you have any new ideas, because this is a creative process that we're all doing together. So have fun, have a great 2025, happy language learning, and we'll see you later.